Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use Paycom app. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our tutorials. And now let's get into it. So as you can see here, I've got myself a pretty good beginner's guide in front of me just by looking for the topic using my Brave browser. And you can see that it's AI generated a pretty good answer. So if you guys want to download the Brave browser on your computer, I'll leave you the link in the description down below. Here it says first to download and install. Of course, you gotta download the app from the Play Store if you're using an Android and the App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then you gotta log in. Use the login tab in the top right hand corner of any page on the Paycom website or the app to access your account. You may need to enter your username and password, and I'm gonna add to you the last 4 digits of your social security number. It doesn't say it here, but I'm pretty sure it's necessary. And then after that, toggle between accounts. If you work for multiple companies that use Paycom, you can toggle between accounts by tapping go to account and selecting your other employer. And here are some key features and functions. First one is employee self-service. Use the app to review your schedule, also request time off and approve your own payroll, and check on pending expense reimbursements and access learning paths and training courses. Also, you have this feature or functions manager on the go. Supervisors can initially toggle between employee self-service and manager on the go without additional logins. And data security. Paycom ensures the security and protection of your sensitive information. You can review their security standards and tips for ensuring privacy on their website. And here are tips and best practices. First, multi-factor authentication. Enable multi-factor authentication when logging in to a new device for the first time to add an extra layer of security. Also, you can review and update information. Regularly review and update your account information to ensure accuracy and prevent any issues. And contact support. If you encounter any issues or have feedback, email the mobile app at paycom.com or contact Paycom's support team. And here are some additional resources. First resource is Paycom website. Visit the Paycom website for more information on their HR and payroll software, including tutorials and guides. And client training and certification program. Access the client training and certification program through the app to better understand Paycom and use it to its fullest potential. By following these steps and tips, you will be able to effectively use the Paycom app to manage your HR and payroll tasks, streamline your work life, and take advantage of its features and functions. And that's basically all what you have to do, or all what you have to know about how to use the Paycom app. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and see you in the next one.